Whiten skin with soap. Skin whitening has become a popular trend. Many people are trying to find ways to get whiter and more even skin. Although there are many products on the market that claim to lighten the skin, but using soap is a simple and affordable alternative that has proven to work. In this article, we'll look at how to whiten your skin with soap, based on the latest research from medical journals. One of the most common ingredients in skin whitening soaps is Kojic acid. Kojic acid is a natural product derived from fungi and has been found to be effective in inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that using soap containing 2% Kojic acid for 12 weeks resulted in a significant reduction in melanin production and an improvement in skin brightness. Another common ingredient in skin whitening soaps is arbutin. Arbutin is a natural compound found in many plants, including bearberry, and has been proven to have a whitening effect. The results of the study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that using a soap containing 1% arbutin for 8 weeks resulted in a significant improvement in skin radiance and a reduction of age spots. In addition to Kojic acid and arbutin, there are other ingredients that may be effective in whitening soaps, such as glutathione and vitamin C. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that has a skin whitening effect when used topically. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that using a soap containing glutathione for 4 weeks resulted in noticeably brighter skin. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant that has a skin lightening effect. A study published in the Journal of Cutaneous and Aesthetic Surgery found that using soap containing vitamin C for 8 weeks resulted in significant skin brightening and a reduction in dark spots. When using whitening soap, it is important to use products from trusted companies, and the products must be legally certified for production standards. And for satisfactory results, soap should be used to whiten the skin continuously on a regular basis. In addition, use a high SPF sunscreen to help prevent sun damage to the skin. Using soap to lighten your skin can be an effective and inexpensive alternative. When choosing a whitening soap, it's important to look for products that contain ingredients like Kojic acid, arbutin, glutathione, and vitamin C. Following these instructions carefully and using sunscreen can help achieve the desired results without causing a wrinkle effect or any harm to the skin. With love, Siam Cosmetics Company Limited.